It's day 3 of Hurricane Flo. We really out here. We're taking a.
My friend Cruston. Say hi, Cruston.
Hi, Cruston. Yeah, we're just taking a little.
Make sure you walk in every single puddle you see, ladies.
We're just taking a friendly stroll in Mr. Rogers' neighborhood. I'll show you. My booty got wet. Jump! Jump!
Do not jump. I saw anything move from one. Wow, Chloe's been sent out here. We need to leave the float.
We need help. Wow! It's raining really hard. What if I drop my phone? What if you drop your shoes? Ready?
Gotta clean the cookies off.
So if you guys want to know, here's tip number 1 for hurricane prep. This is how you do it. You take your Crocs and you put it in 4-wheel drive because it's a hard road. Welcome to WDPE is Khalifa News. Currently it is like 7 o'clock.
You hear that? Crazy!
It's crazy.
There's crazy people out here.
It's crazy, man. She can't even walk.
Crazy people out here.
It's Khalifa News. This is just in. There's a really big thing right there. It looks like chocolate milk, but do it for the vlog.
I ain't gonna do it.
Do it for the vlog.
I ain't gonna do it.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Yeah.
Move.
You are moving faster. We have a really dedicated weatherman. And here's Reagan with politics. Hurricane is wild, man. We got people running.
It is so crazy.
We have people running into poles. It's crazy, man. She can't even walk. This is Jet.
This is crazy, man.
Sports. Here's Izzy with the weather.
It's intense out here. Ah.
It's crazy, man. I mean, that Croc that just got thrown, it's in 4-wheel drive. That's how you know it's insane. Okay, Jet's done. She can't even get her car moving. Literally not even working and then just zooming out of sight. Like,
trap me, zoom.
The water is getting good.
It's got very good shampoos in it.
And it's
moisturizers.
What do you do if you don't have a tub?
You just take a bath.
Thank you.
Welcome back to His Khalifa News. Our story today, the pool. It's probably overflowing, but we won't know until we look. Hi! Be safe on the roads. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are edging closer and closer to the pool by the minute. I can't see because I don't have my prescription glasses on right now, but it looks pretty bad. Yeah, that's the teaser. Get closer and closer to this body of water. We can't go in because that's illegal right now because it's after Labor Day, but let's just take a little peepity deepity. Yeah, it looks like a pool to me. It's a little over the edge if you look right there. But there's a bunch of leaves in there. Okay, everybody be quiet for this moment of ASMR. Shut up. Make it squeaky. And that's all for the moment of ASMR. Thank you. Khalifa News, channel 10769. This is Bryce Cochran. What's the weather like?
Hurricane Tortilla.
Right, the hurricane is really kicking in. As you can tell, people are just blowing away by the second. Blowing away. We are coming back to the headquarters of channel 10769. Is Khalifa lives there, and that's the name of this weather channel. This car tried to hit me. Just kidding, no it didn't. Clickbait. But yeah, it's kind of stirring up like for real. Jump in what? Shut up. Turn that up. Stop. Turn it up. What? I'm recording. That's the T for channel 10769. Khalifa News. Is you doing?